Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Govee TV Backlight 3 lights flickering. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Govee TV Backlight 3, but the lights keep flickering. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your Govee TV Backlight 3 from the wall socket and leave it unplugged for about 10 minutes. This is going to do a soft reset. After 10 minutes, go ahead and replug it back in and then see if the issue persists. If there's still an issue, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to grab the Govee TV Backlight 3 remote, and then you want to hold down this first button here, and then you want to press the middle button 4 times. So once you do that, you're going to start seeing the lights start flickering. And with that, that'll do another reset of your Govee TV Backlight 3 and hopefully fix the problem. But if the problem still persists, I would say contact Govee support and see if you can get a replacement, just because these products are meant to last long. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.